Banana dessert. A dessert from Antigua and Barbuda. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil a 1.5 quart mold. Step 2. Combine orange and lemon peels and juices with banana chunks and set aside. Step 3. Place egg, sugar, and pineapple juice in a food processor and pulse until blended. Step 4. Add soy milk and breadcrumbs and pulse a few more times. Spoon mixture over banana mixture. Step 5. Add margarine, mix well and pour into prepared mold. Step 6. Place mold in a large pan and pour enough boiling water into pan to reach halfway up the sides of the mold. Step 7. Bake 1 hour 20 minutes. When ready, a knife inserted should come out clean. You may have to add more boiling water during the cooking time. Cool 20 to 30 minutes and then remove from the mold. Step 8. Refrigerate 2 hours before serving. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.